Good morning, students. Today in SST, I'll explain you about the oceans of the world. I've already explained you about the continents of the world. Now today I'll explain you some of the oceans of the world. There are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Antarctica or Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. So we will talk about it one by one. Then I hope you have completed the exercises. Match the following. You will do the exercises in the book only, and whatever I will give you in the copy, that only you will do it in the copy. Okay, and all must have the diagram in your SST fair copy, which I had given you about the planet Earth and the world map, in which you have to mark the continent and oceans of the world. So that you have to complete it. That in your SST copy, that work should be there. You have to paste the map, world map, outline of the world map and marking of that continent and ocean in it with the pencil color. You will color it also and mark it with black pen, all the names and the diagram of the planet in one page. That you will do it. Okay, so today we will start about the oceans of the world one by one. I'll explain you that. So let's start it. So students, the ocean contains 97% of the Earth's total water. Oceans had 97% of the Earth's total water, and the 5 oceans in the descending order. Okay, from big to small. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern or Antarctic. There are 2 names for Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Now today we will talk about Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, biggest ocean, and covering 46% of the Earth's water surface. It divides North America and South America from Asia and Australia. How it divides? It divides North America and South America from Asia and Australia. See here, this is the Pacific Ocean. So this is the Pacific Ocean. So from Asia and Australia, it divides North America and South America. North America and South America, it divides from Europe and Asia. It divides North America and South America from Asia and Australia. Okay, the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point of the Earth. Now the Mariana Trench is there in the Pacific Ocean. It is the deepest point of the Earth, and the Pacific Ring of Fire is a horseshoe shaped area in the Pacific Basin. So the Pacific Ring of Fire, here it is not shown. This is the Pacific Ring of Fire. See this. This is the Pacific Ring of Fire. It is a horseshoe shaped, like the horseshoe shaped it is, and it is an area in the Pacific Basin. It is home to almost 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes. Here many volcanoes take place, active and dormant also. Yeah, that means active means it is regular regular volcanoes, and dormant means sometime it's erupt. This is also one of the most earthquake sensitive zones in the world. It accounts for thousands of tremors that are experienced around the globe every year. The earthquakes also happen here because of this sensitive zone, tremor. Then we come to the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean, also known as the Sea of Atlas, it is called the Sea of Atlas, is the second largest ocean. First one is Pacific Ocean, the second one is the Atlantic Ocean. It covers 29% of the Earth's water surface. It has an elongated S-shaped basin. It has S-shaped basin. and separating North America and South America from Europe and Africa. See here, from North America to South America, it separates Europe and Africa, this area, Atlantic Ocean. And it is connected to all the other oceans in the world. So Atlantic Ocean is connected to all the other oceans in the world. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a big submarine mountain range in the Atlantic Ocean. So today we have done this. This is what the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is, a big submarine mountain range in the Atlantic Ocean. So today we have done 2 oceans, then tomorrow we will go through the other 3 oceans. Okay. Thank you.